Okay, so what we've done so far with the newsletter is we've created the newsletter as a draft. We've created a text version of the newsletter, and we've sent the draft out to the editor to proof and to send it back to us. Now, it's come back to us. We've now gone through and we've fixed up any of the links or any of the issues in the text that we need to fix up, like the image, for instance, and a few other bits and pieces. And it's all fixed, saved, and closed. So the newsletter is now finally ready to be sent out to our main subscribers. To do that, all we need to do is click on the send button. Okay, and we brought back to where we actually sent the draft to. Notice we sent it to test 2 or test 1 as the editors. Now what we're going to do is we're going to send it to the update, our main subscriber list of 1,330 odd subscribers. So all you do is you check the box. Back up at the top we click send. Okay, and once the page comes up with the progress bar, we click the start button. Alright, once the start button has been clicked, the progress bar should start to move along. If not, don't be too concerned. What you cannot do though is navigate away from this page. Okay, you can go and navigate onto different tabs if you want and work off different tabs. Okay, but you cannot leave this page from this tab. Alright, or the send process will stop. Once it's been sent, it'll come up to the reports list. Okay, which shows you the message properties. Okay, what errors you have, total emails, etc., etc. It'll also show you a list of hyperlinks that you've placed in the article itself. Okay, gives you a good idea of how many people it's been forwarded to, the stats. Okay, how many people have opened it, etc., etc. Okay, so that's pretty good. Once it's all done there, you should be pretty right. Now, if you go back to the reports again, a quick and easy check to make sure it's gone out to all your subscribers is sent to. Now, if you've got 1,329 of 1,329 emails, that means the newsletter has been sent out to everyone. If you see something like this, 0 of 1,329 emails, that means that the newsletter hasn't been sent out at all. Okay, and you need to go back into your sessions. Okay, notice here, you need to click back on the session, on the session name. Okay, and click the start button. Okay, to keep going. Now, sometimes you might see it'll come up with, you might see it come up with 1,000 of 1,329 emails. Okay, when you see that, you click on the session name, and what you'll see is a progress bar at around about 75% up here somewhere. All you do, click start and let it go, and the report comes back, and you'll find that it'll send it out to the remaining emails in your list. Okay, and once that's done, you've sent out your email to the wide world, and people are starting to read it. And that is how we do emails, email newsletters using RSMail.